Lip balm is one of the most essential skincare products, which we all need year-round. Dry and flaky lips often create discomfort, which is why keeping a lip balm inside of your pocket or purse will save you every single time. No matter what the weather is, lip balm is a must. But as winter is already here, it's time to double check your lip care routine so that you don't have to walk around with chapped lips every time you step outside. There are so many different formulas and options available on the market, which makes it a matter of stress for you to choose the right lip balm for your lips. So in today's video, we came up with the 5 best lip balms for dry lips that will seal the moisture of your lips and protect them. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Vaseline has earned massive popularity among users around the world, and its lip balm is the right choice to heal your dry lips. It is clinically proven to help heal dry lips. The non-sticky formulas of Vaseline lip balms are invitingly soft and melt onto lips. With its original formula, Vaseline Lip Therapy is a lip balm that you can rely on that provides long-lasting relief from dryness. This everyday essential for healthy-looking lips is made with pure Vaseline jelly, just like all Vaseline lip care products. The Vaseline Lip Balm Creme Brulee is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. Users are in love with this product. It works like magic to dry, chapped lips, though a few people were not happy with the flavor or the perfume. It's time to rate this product. The Aquaphor Lip Repair is a blessing for people who have severe chapped lips. It is proven to relieve dryness and soothe chapped lips. The Aquaphor Lip Repair is formulated with nourishing vitamins, shea butter, and soothing chamomile essence that helps to seal in moisture and prevent dryness. It creates a semi-occlusive barrier on skin, which creates an ideal healing environment that enables the flow of water and oxygen. It also absorbs the recovering skin's own natural wound exudates, keeping the wound moist to heal and promote healing. It is quite popular among users and has earned a good number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, the lip balm is very popular among its users having very dry lips, and it works amazing on lips with one use. But according to some, this lip balm is nothing special. Now it's time to rate the product. Take care of your lips with the goodness of peppermint extract with our next favorite lip balm. It's the Beauty by Earth Organic Peppermint Lip Balm that will give you smooth lips with no time. This lip balm contains vitamin E and shea butter that helps to heal your chapped lips. It will help to revitalize your smile with its light, eco-friendly minty chapstick. It also gives you maximum protection no matter what the environmental condition is, by creating a moisturizing barrier between you and the elements. This organic lip balm in peppermint is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. Users are in love with their outcomes as it works great on chronic dry lips. It also keeps lips soft all day long. Only a few users were not satisfied with it. It's time to rate this product. If you're looking for lip balms with different flavors, the Sky Organics Lip Balm is the right choice for your dry lips. This lip balm is formulated with beeswax, moisturizing coconut oil, nourishing vitamin E, and soothing calendula oil extract. The flavorful 6-pack of USDA organic lip balms or organic sunflower oil, organic beeswax, organic coconut oil, vitamin E, organic rosemary extract, organic calendula, and natural organic flavors that ensure you never have to be without nourished, hydrated lips. This lip balm is non-toxic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and has no chemicals, petroleum, or fillers. The Sky Organics Lip Balm is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. The reviews say it all. This lip balm made an unbelievable difference to dry, chapped lips. It also smells great and is worth the price, though besides thousands of positive reviews, users were not happy with their outcomes. Time to check out the ratings! Our best pick for today's video is the Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm that is your lip saver for dry, chapped lips. It contains beeswax that works as a natural skin conditioner, vitamin E which keeps your lips moisturized, and peppermint oil for a refreshing tingle. The lip balm helps to nourish your lips and makes your lips feel luxurious as you end up with smooth, subtle lips that everyone will be buzzing about. The Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm is one of the highest selling lip balms on Amazon, and it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from the users. According to the users, this highly recommended lip balm works amazing. It lasts long and keeps lips nourished. The lip balm is also worth the value, though a few users were dissatisfied with the lip balm. It's time to rate this lip balm. Those were our 5 best lip balms for dry, chapped lips. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.